but we're gonna need help. That's why. Stand right here. I'm gonna pat you down to make sure you don't have any weapons on you, okay? Relax.
Hey, Charlene, when's the last time you used? Charlene? Never? Okay, well, I was just looking at this metal straw with burn marks on it, and I was just trying to figure out if I could see what was going on with you.
Hi, yeah, I was just driving down East Main Street, and at the corner of East and Kelton, it looked like there was a lady. She looked disoriented and was kind of walking into, like, she was in the middle of the road, kept walking in and out of moving cars. She wasn't, like, jumping in front of vehicles, so I don't know if it's an emergency, but I just figured I would call it in. She was black, heavy set. She looked like she had black leggings on. Her hair was, like, in dreads, up in a ponytail, a black top on. Like I said, she just looked like she needed some help.
There is nothing sorry I need to, but that woman that you talked to?
Yeah.
She's been on the road for the last 10 minutes trying to get hit by a car.
Okay, well...
She was literally approaching cars.
Well...
I just didn't, you know what I mean? I started to call you guys 911, and then when I saw you, I said, look.
Okay, well...
You see what I mean?
Yeah, we'll go deal with her. Get out of the street. We'll talk to you, but get out of the street.
No, I don't need nobody to talk to.
Okay, well, you're getting out of the street. Come on. Come on.
Why am I going to be treated like a woman?
So what's going on?
I'm broke.
Okay. So...
I'm getting faked out. My boyfriend's cheating on me. I lost everything. I'm homeless.
Okay. Sorry to hear all that.
United States wants me out of here.
Okay, so what can we do for you today to try to help you?
You got $5, I get some money that kids.
I'm not going to give you money. I'll tell you that.
I just want to get...
Have you called a hotline or anything to see if you can get a place to stay?
I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm not gonna give you money. Just because you're out here acting a fool, I'm not gonna have pity and give you money. I'm trying to give you other resources to try to help you.
I just want to be treated like I have a place.
You are a person. That's why I'm trying to explain to you some of the resources you can use to help you get back on your feet.
Listen, it's over. Y'all hate me. The whole world hates me.
Why would the whole world hate you?
I don't know. I'm only 33.
Just be advised, we're now saying this is going to be a 5A. S750, copy it now as well.
So what can we do for you today?
Let me die. I just want to live in peace. I want to be with black people. I want to be a family. I want a family. I want a family.
Ma'am, can we take you to the hospital today?
No.
They'll get you food.
I don't want to eat that. No.
Okay, so then what can we do to try to help solve this problem right now?
There's nothing you can do.
Heavy set female, black dreads and a ponytail, black top, black leggings, walking black house.
There's nothing you can do.
123, that's what we were getting flagged down at. We're at Main and Lily with her.
There's nothing you can do.
Copy that. What's one is correct?
What'd she say? Can we give you a ride to the hospital?
No.
Okay. You got a pink slipper?
Yeah.
Radio to 636. Video 36.
All right, dear.
Found at 71.
We're gonna go to the hospital. Are you going on your own with us, or are we gonna have to put you in handcuffs and make you go? We're trying to be respectful.
I just want my freedom.
Okay.
I just want my freedom. I don't have a job.
Okay. I understand that.
I don't have a car.
So listen, what's your name, ma'am?
Charlene,
Charlene, we're gonna go to the hospital today. Okay?
I'm not sick.
You may not feel sick, but
I'm not
from what
sick.
I'm seeing, you might have some stuff going on in your head that they could help you with.
My head is clear.
I don't know about that. You're just walking into traffic. You just told me you wanted to die, and you were walking into traffic. That doesn't seem like you have a clear head.
Listen,
16 from at 933 Hamlin Street at St. Joseph's
please let me be a woman.
The male black blue shirt
Please let me live.
outside of the parking
I
lot.
want to get pregnant and have
Got an
kids.
additional call saying that he's
Please.
mid-40s and he's being aggressive.
Please let me have my freedom.
Okay, Charlene, can you take your bag off for me? Here, I'll do the strap for you.
Why y'all fuckers mess with me?
We're not messing with you.
You're
We're trying to help you. We're trying to help you.
Everybody's fucking and I'm fucking.
Relax.
Charlene, we're trying to help
Come here.
you. Yeah.
Come here. Come to yourself, okay?
You fucker. You fucker.
Charlene, relax.
Shut up. It's easy for you to say you're going home to fuck your wife. I don't have no wife. I have a boyfriend cheating on me.
Can I have your couple dollars? I'll put it in your bag for you, okay? Well, because you're exhibiting signs of a mental illness right now, and you seem like you could use some help, and they might be able to help you there.
Come on, let's go to the other side of the car. Come on, Charlene. Come on. No, it's not. We're gonna need help. That's fine. Come on. Stand right here. I'm gonna pat you down to make sure you don't have any weapons on you, okay? Relax.
Hey, Charlene, when's the last time you used? Charlene, never? Okay, well, I was just looking at this metal straw with burn marks on it, and I was just trying to figure out if I could see what was going on with you.
I need to use. I need some drugs, goddamn.
Charlene, take a look. Turn around.
Thank you.
God damn it.
Can you please sit up so you can take a ride? I'm just asking nicely. I don't want you to.
Yo, this man. You thought I was gonna find somebody that was gonna.
1, 2, 3.
I wanna
123.
Female 5-1 to Grant, beginning mileage 963. You can just mark on the road. We don't have CVS.
Come on, Charlene, let's go. John out.
What? Let's sleep. That's help. Huh? Sleep. That ain't shit. That ain't nothing.
Come on, bro. You're being mean to me. I'm being practical with you.
I'm not.
I don't like you know that. Oh, come on. Go on the other side, probably.
Okay.
Come on. Let me just sit up.
Charlene, come on.
What's 20? I'll check that 16.
You want to start pulling her feet out?
Copy, thank you.
What's up? Come on, Charlene. No, I need you to come this way.
You can fake sleep all you want. I see your hands moving. Yeah, okay. Now you stop moving them. Sit up. Come on, Charlene.
Come on. Charlene. Come on. There you go. Oh.
636.
636.
Unless you get another call on the bed frame, it's 2-4.
Copy.
Come on, Charlene, let's go. Scooch on out. We're at the hospital, let's go.
Why, you trying to hurry me up so you can get the fuck on?
Nope.
Fucker, get the fuck away from me.
Need you to go in the hospital, though, for you to get help.
What, go to sleep? That's help? Huh? Sleep? That ain't shit. That ain't nothing I do.
Come on, Charlene. You're being mean to me, and I'm being practical with you.
I'm not being mean to you.
You're yelling at me. I don't like being yelled at.
Myself, goddamn.
Well, come on.
You think I'm the devil? You ain't just...
I think you're on the other side, probably.
Okay.
Come on. I need you to sit up.
Charlene, come on.
120, I'll check that 16.
You want to start pulling your feet out?
Copy, thank you.
What's up? Come on, Charlene. Let's go. I need you to just come this way.
You can fake sleep all you want. I see your hands moving. Yeah, okay. Now you stop moving them. Sit up. Come on, Charlene.
Come on. Come on. Charlene. Come on. There you go. Come on.
It's over.
636.
636.
Unless you get another call on the bed frame, it's 2-4.
Copy.